Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. In a triangle, two angles are 43 degrees and 57 degrees. Find the third angle. Given that two angles of a triangle are 43 degrees and 57 degrees. Triangle means three angles. So here already given two angles. Then you find the third angle. Sum of these two angles is equal to 43 degrees plus 57 degrees is 100 degrees. In a triangle, the sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees. That means triangle means three angles. Three angles sum is 180 degrees. So you find easily third angle. So third angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees is 80 degrees. Your third angle is 80 degrees. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.